usenzo hayi kuyasikhalisa kakhulu siphinde sikhaliswe naye zomthetho ke lapha enkantolo hayi siyakhala ngifuna uqamba amanga sifuna ungasho sihle siyikhuluma lento sithi hayi umthetho siyakhala impela nje asiboni kahle leza ingane zabantu mangabe ngempela ziboshelwe lamacalazo bese zothwaliswa into kaSenzo ezazi kade zingekho ngoba zayingekho endlini lezayingane uSenzo walimala kukhona abangani bakhe balemlazi uTu noMthoko best friend kodwa nakubona sithola lutho luphathekayo alukho nje olubambekayo silitholayo ngayi ukuthi uSenzo ngempela kwenzakalani inganeni kanti yayibulele bani kangaka ingane kuze kube namhlanje ubulungisa sibtholi nje kodwa ke akulutho nje abantu abakholwayo la ekhaya sesibuya uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngalelo langa ayikho into enasikhatha ayikho into engamzuzu wayo kuyotholakala ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoSenzo kuphela nje cha noma bengasaboshwa ngabantu kodwa izwe lazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoSenzo kuphela asafuna into eziningi sesifuna kwenzakalani ngempela ngoSenzo kwakwenze njani ukuzibulawa ingane thatha iminyaka emingaka kushonwa le.
So you just heard it for yourself from the aunt of Senzo Meyiwa. They're literally not happy with Judge Ratha, with the way that he is presiding over this case due to these so many delays that are occurring at court, due to disrespecting the defense sometimes, and more like the drama that occurs at the court in itself, with Judge Ratha sometimes being accused of wasting time. There was even a letter that was even written, to say that Judge Ratha is wasting time. So this has ended up to cause the Meyiwa family to no longer follow the Meyiwa trial itself. I mean, imagine how much frustrated they are, because these are people that truly want justice for Senzo Meyiwa, but they have gotten to a stage, to an extent whereby they no longer follow the trial in itself. So initially, during the first days, of the trial, they had a lot of enthusiasm, following the trial and even going to the court in itself. Sometimes you could even see them inside the courtroom, some of the family members, following the proceedings. But nowadays, they no longer even attend. So despite these frustrations, Judge Ratha, he has even expressed that he himself, he doesn't want even to stay on that bench for quite a long time, and having the case to drag on and on. He even said that he wants justice, to be served as quickly as possible.